If you do feel this tightening or burning sensation, okay, let me explain it. For instance, your face burns after applying some products, or you feel this tightening sensation after washing with or without soap, or even maybe a product that you have been using for a very long time suddenly begins to react on your skin whenever you use them, like your cream, your serum, your toner, name it. You have been using this product for a very long time, and all of a sudden whenever you use it you feel this reaction, your skin begins to be sensitive to them. These are possible signs that your skin barrier is compromised or damaged. Welcome to my channel. We are to talk about skincare tips for aging and mature skin. I am Adams Felicia. If you are in your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s and above, you need this video. Please watch it to the end, okay? Now we have been hearing of skin barriers, skin barrier damage and all that, and I want to enlighten you about the importance, what skin barrier is, how it can be damaged, and how it can be fixed. Now, what is skin barrier? Skin barrier is like a protective wall that helps to retain moisture. Moisture is water, okay? That helps to retain moisture inside our skin, and it also prevents dirt, germs and irritants from entering into our skin. Let me explain it in a simple form. Skin barrier prevents our skin from drying out, and it also prevents irritants from going into our skin, okay? So now you know that we say that skin barrier helps the skin to retain water, okay? It helps the skin to prevent water loss or moisture loss, okay? Now, when your skin loses moisture or water as fast as possible and it easily becomes irritated, we say the skin barrier is compromised or damaged. Signs or symptoms of the damaged skin barrier. Number one is dryness. This dryness, your skin began to dry up, that does not easily improve except you pay special attention to it by using the right skincare products, okay? Number two, your skin begins to feel red or redness, okay? Number three is rough patches. Number four is makeup that doesn't sit well, especially if you use something like heavy powders or maybe makeup that contains additives like retinoids or maybe salicylic acid. Burning, your skin also begins to, you also feel this burning or stinging sensation on your skin. That is number six and the last on this part. Now let's now talk about the causes. One of the causes is aging. You know, when we age, irrespective of the skin type that you have, once we are aging, we are getting to our 30s, or we get to 30s, 40s, 15, the natural oils in our skin that make our skin to be moist or that keep it hydrated begins to diminish or reduce, and this causes our skin to dry, okay? Then Another one is harsh products like cleansers. If you are using harsh cleansers, it compromises your skin barrier. Another one is hot water, like those of us that like showering with hot water every time, it end up compromising your skin barrier. The next one, the third one, the fourth one here is too much exfoliation. When you exfoliate on daily basis, I have somebody that does this, and she was in her late 50s or 60s then. I should always complain of this burning sensation, that her skin is easily irritated. I was not like, I have to advise her that she should stop exfoliating every day. Another one, the last one here, is overusing of active ingredients like retinols, salicylic acid, etc. It damage what skin barrier. A damaged or compromised skin barrier is common with aging and mature skin. I've already explained that when we are aging, our skin easily gets dry. So because of this, a damage is quite easy for a aging and mature skin to easily get compromised. Okay, but the good news is that it can be managed or repaired. Now let's talk about how you can repair your skin barrier. Number one is for you to stop any form of exfoliation at that period of time. Once you notice that your skin barrier is compromised, please stop exfoliating at that point. You don't need exfoliation. Stop exfoliating. Number two is to avoid using harsh active ingredients. I've already made mention of something like retinols, all those retinol, tretinol, etc. And also acid, like all those salicylic acid. Stop using them at that moment. Okay. Always use products containing ceramides, glycerins, apetinols that keep your skin hydrated. Products that can help to repair or fix your skin barrier. Okay. Moisturize twice or 3 times with a moisturizer that contains these products that can help to get your skin back. Okay. Now, beauties, when you are trying to fix your skin barrier, you don't need too much products. You need to reduce the number of products you use on your skin, because the lesser products you use, the better and faster the results. And do not forget that aging and mature skin takes time to heal. So this is where consistency and patience comes to play. So you need to consistently and patiently do what you're doing to ensure that you get your skin back. Okay, this is all I got for you in this video this week, and I'll be coming up with a very interesting video next week. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do, and I bet you will regret it. Thank you and goodbye for now.